大家好，我们第12课的问题就是怎么确定我们租房子的这件事，怎么签合同。And we're going to look at a couple different words. The most important being 差不多, meaning almost it's pretty much the same, right? So we're in a finalizing or negotiation. We're going to say 差不多. It's about the same. Stop fighting about it. 850美元人民币差不多. It's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same. Now, we're also going to look at a structure to describe an approximate number. This is a little bit tricky. In fact, I'm not sure I fully understand it myself. I encourage you to go to your textbook and look up this grammar structure and their in-depth explanation. I'm just going to go over it a little bit. The idea is when you're trying to indicate an approximate number, you want to use the word 多, which indicates that it's around this number, but not necessarily that exact number. So, for example, if I want to say, 他找房子找了1个多月了. This is in our textbook. He searched for a house for about a month, right? Oh, and this is also our verb plus le plus amount of time plus le structure. 他找房子找了1个月了. So he's looking for a house and has been looking for approximately 1 month. So this 1个多月 number, what exactly does that mean? It means more than 1 month, but not necessarily more than, say, 2. Right? If it was 2, it would probably be 他找了2个多月了. So the approximate number is fairly close to the indicated number, but it's a little bit more. It's a little bit more. 多, of course, means more. It's a little bit more. However, if I want to talk about a large approximate number, and here I used 1个多月, 1 or more month. I want to indicate a large number, over 10 or more. I actually have to change the order of the sentence pattern a little bit. So here I put the number followed by 多, followed by the measure word, followed by the noun, as opposed to putting the number followed by the measure word, followed by 多, followed by the noun. Let's look at an example. 我已经花了100多块钱了. I already spent $100 more, and the 块 here is the measure word. As opposed to here, where the measure word is 个 and it comes before 多, here it comes after the measure word. Now, why is this? Or why it comes before the measure. Why is this? I don't really know. And there are actually more rules for the order of 多. So I wouldn't worry about this too much. I would just try to remember certain phrases that we're going to be using. For example, 1个多月了, over 1 month, but less than 2. Right? It's a little over a month, but less than 2. 1个多月了. 1块多钱, it's a little bit over $1, but less than 2. 100多块钱, it's a little over $100, but less than 200. Just remember those specific phrases and you should be fine. 好，谢谢大家。